Hey everybody, Scott here again. We were gifted this Javant, and it's a chainsaw, an electric chainsaw, battery operated. Wow, it really comes with quite a kit in it. It's got, let's see, what do we have here? We've got safety goggles, a pair of gloves, instructions, an extra chain. That's a very nice feature because you always need a new chain with a chainsaw. A wrench to make adjustments on the tool, and a file for sharpening the chain. The battery charger. 2 batteries. There's a 21-volt max battery, both of them. A small bottle for oil. And then here we have the saw. It's got a 6-inch blade, nice guard to keep your hands out of it. A trigger on the top here, a push button to feed oil, a fill spout so that you can fill the little oil tank to oil the chain. And let's just turn this on and see how it does. Well, that seems like that's going to be a very nice saw, and that would be great for going out in the yard if you have something that's a little bit bigger than you want to try and cut with a clippers, and yet smaller than 6 inches. Chainsaw will usually do the job to take care of something like that. So we thought we'd see how good this works for doing some trimming in the yard. Wow, that really works good. Works very good for cutting these palms out, and these palms grow like crazy here, so you see it. There you go.